Today is a busy day. It was a 5 a.m. wake-up call, warm water with lemon, reading the Bible, journaling, and then coffee, then a good workout of Pilates. Today was all about buttocks and thighs, so it was tough, but it was good. I made it. And then I had to print out some stuff in my office. First stop was at 8:45. I met with one of my sellers in South Amboy. We're going to be listing his house soon. He gave me a copy of the deed, the survey, and also a filled out copy of the seller's disclosure, which is always useful to have. So I have the paperwork. Now it's 9:18. I'm heading from South Amboy to Kendall Park. We're going to do the inspection. It's a home inspection on a house for an amazing couple, young people, very good house. The family that owns the property has had it for the last 70 years, which is always a good sign. It's just a ranch, but we're doing inspection today. They are bringing their own inspector that I don't know. I'm curious to know who he is, and I hope it goes well because everything hangs on this one particular inspection. So we are heading there now. It's in Kendall Park, so I'm going from South Amboy to Kendall Park. It's gonna take me about 40 minutes. And we are here. Nobody here yet because the inspection is scheduled at 10 and it's 9:40. So I'm always early to everywhere I go because I think personally that being late is the most disrespectful thing you can do to a person you're meeting with. So this is an inspection. I'm going to turn all the lights on. I'm going to open the door obviously and prepare everything. I'm sure the inspector is gonna be a little bit early too. I think he's already here actually. Look at this foyer, guys. I love it. Generally it's a very pleasant home for first-time home buyers. I think it's perfect. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a beautiful backyard. And now the inspector is looking for an oil tank underground, obviously. He didn't find any. They are chatting outside. And I was bored, so I was recording some reels for my Instagram account. Now he's going to be checking the roof with a drone. Very nice. On to the HVAC system. He was talking a lot, this inspector. Okay, the inspection is done. I think overall it went well. However, I have to tell you guys, that was the longest inspection I have ever done in my life, and it was just a regular home inspection. Plus he did mold testing, which takes a little bit longer. But other than that, on such a small house, not even 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, it was really long inspection. I have to admit it, this guy is really thorough, that my clients found, but it was too long. I mean, normally it would take an hour and a half to do an inspection on a house like this, but I'm happy because, you know, the guy is really thorough, so he got some stuff that maybe some other inspectors wouldn't catch. I'm not sure, but definitely I am so cold, I am hungry, I am angry because I'm late to my home showings today. And I had to reschedule the home showings while I was still waiting for the inspector to finish the inspection, which is never good because my other clients think that I don't care about them. But I managed to reschedule the showing, so I'm heading to Monroe to show some homes to my clients. And my client is waiting for me. He was actually coming back from Atlantic City, so he stopped by to eat something. He said it's not a problem. He has a day off today, so at least that's good. The homes I'm going to be showing are in the 55 plus community. Gorgeous development. So once I show the homes, I'm going to head to FedEx to ship some documents. And then I'm going to go home to eat something because I am so hungry. This inspection took everything out of me. So I just ate my lunch. My mom prepared it for me because I had only like 5 minutes to come in and get out. So now I'm going to the FedEx. Okay. I'm here. So I am back in the office and I have to write up an offer on the resale. So my clients like the house, one of the homes that we have seen today. And then I have to write an offer on rental as well. My client loved the property. So it is now 4:31. I'm back in my home office because it didn't make sense to go to my main office. I just talked to the agents. They are ready to receive my offers. And then I will be, working on that. So on to the offers. So I have just spoken with the agents, both agents that I sent offers to. I contacted them to let them know that I have sent all the pertinent documents. In case of the rental, it's actually a lot of documents because we have to have rental application, income verification, credit score, eviction records. So that's what I sent. So now the only thing left is actually talk to my clients. I need to let them know that I have taken care of everything just like I promised. It's 5:14 p.m. today, so we're not going to get any kind of answers today because agents have to talk to their clients and they have to get back to me. So I will be following up with everyone tomorrow morning. But I need to talk to my clients just to keep them calm and let them know that nothing is going to happen overnight, just that they should just wait till tomorrow. So that's what I'm going to do. Now it's time to post on social media. I know my assistant takes care of almost all of it. But the things that I'm showing throughout my day, obviously she's not here, so she cannot do it. I have to do it myself. And also she doesn't take care of my TikTok account because of logistics. So I have to post there. And I apologize for my red nose, but I have such dry skin and I get nosebleeds all the time. I don't know what's happening, but it's kind of weird.